Disclaimer. Efforts have been made to not to infringe with any copyright. If so, it may be brought to our notice for its acknowledgement in future editions. No part of this digital content be reproduced, stored, or distributed in any or by any means either on paper or electronic media unless authorized. Digital content for candidates with speech and hearing disability. Sector: Apparel, made-ups and home furnishing. Subsector: Apparel, Occupation embroiderer. Reference ID PWD AMH Q1001, version 1.0, NSQF level 4. Chapter 8 IT Skills. Unit 8.5 MS Word. Hello friends, welcome to an exciting session on MS Word. Key learning outcome: learn the concept of and practice MS Word. Format a document, print a document, etc. MS Word. Word processing skills enables us to prepare text documents like letters, memos, and different correspondence. Most up-to-date word processing software package permits us to create text documents that embody photos and drawings. Creating a Word document. Once the document that has opened, type a short paragraph of why you are taking this mini session. For example, are you new to Microsoft Word 2007? Or are you up your software your skills? Keep in mind to purposely misspell some words. The above image shows components of the Word window that also contains a document in the window. This view displays rulers at the top and along the left aspect that indicate the size of the page. Saving a document. A command is used for the first time save or if you have created revisions to a document and want to replace the previous version with a new revised document. Use the Save As command to save a revised document to a new name. So keeping the original as it was before revisions or to save a copy of a document in a different folder. Step 1. Save your document in the My Documents folder. Step 2. In the file name box, enter the document name. Step 3. Check to make sure in the Save As type box the Word document is .docx. Change font type and size. The document that you have just created can be formatted in terms of different types of fonts and sizes. Follow these steps. Step 1. Highlight the text you wish to change the font and the size for. In this practice, highlight your name. Step 2. Click on the font menu, select theme font, for example Arial Black, and then select the size of the font, let's say 16, as shown in the image. Step 3. Now click on Save in the Quick Access toolbar to save your document. create headers and footers by inserting text. Headers and footers in the Word document are needed to insert information like text, page numbers, and date. Information on either header or footer can appear in all current document pages by default. You don't have to retype in the header or the footer column once you have added a new page to your current document. The header information appears on the top of the page, whereas the footer information appears at the bottom of the page. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Click on the option Insert right next to Home from the bar above the Word page and select Header. Step 2. Choose a style you like. Step 3. Let's use your last name to fill it. Now hit Enter. Step 4. Add today's date and then highlight your last name and date. Step 5. Click on the Home tab from the menu. Step 6. Now select Home from the bar and then click on Left Justification button. Step 7. Finally click Close Header and Footer. Note, the header menu will close and return you to your document to continue typing. Indents and spacing. Spacing your Word document in the right way. Let us understand how you would be able to change the space between lines and paragraphs by doing the following. Step 1. Select the paragraph or paragraphs you wish to change. Step 2. Click on Home tab, then click Paragraph dialog box. Step 3. Click the Indents and Spacing tab. Step 4. In the line spacing section, adjust your spacing accordingly. Step 5. The image below shows visual version of how your page would like. Modifying margins. The page margins can be modified through the following steps. Step 1. Click the Page Layout tab from the bar. Step 2. Now select Margins from there. Step 3. Click a default margin or Step 4. Click Custom Margins and complete the dialog box. Note, as you roll over each margin preset, it will show you on how document will look when it is modified. List. List enable you to format and organize text with numbers, bullets, or in an outline. Bulleted and numbered list. Bulleted list have bullet points, numbered list have numbers, and outline list combine numbers and letters depending on the organization of the list. How to add list to the existing text. Step 1. Select the text you wish to make a list. Step 2. Click a bulleted or numbered list button from the paragraph tab on the Home tab. Now to create a new list in your document, place your cursor where you want the list to begin. Click a bulleted or numbered list button and start typing. Formatting list. Step 1. The bullet image and numbering format can be changed by using the bullets or numbering dialog box. Step 2. Select the entire list to change all the bullets or numbers, or place the cursor on one line within the list to change a single bullet. Step 3. Right-click once. Step 4. Click the arrow next to the bulleted or numbered list. Step 5. Now select the bullet or numbering style. Spelling and grammar. There are many features in MS Word to help you proofread your document. These features include spelling and grammar, thesaurus, autocorrect, default dictionary, word count, to check the spelling and grammar of your document. Step 1. Place the cursor at the beginning of the document or the beginning of the section that you want to check. Step 2. Click the Review tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click Spelling and Grammar on the Proofing group. Word count. To count words in one selection, you can select the words you want to count. The status bar displays the number of words in the section. For example, 50 by 1200 means that the section accounts for 50 words out of the total number of 1200 in the document. Different editing modes in Word. Insert mode and an overtype mode. When insert mode default is active, the data you can type is inserted at the insertion point, whereas when overtype mode is active, it replaces text as you sort. To modify between the two modes, double-click on the OVR letters on the standing bar. The Insert Picture method supports graphics that may be too large to fit on the clipboard. The default setting for inserting or pasting pictures is in line with text. The Advanced Word options located in the Office button Commands Gallery allows you to change the default setting to any of the available text wrapping styles. Inserting an image and table. Step 1. Place the insertion point at the location where the image has to be placed in the document. Step 2. Select Insert tab, Illustrations Gallery. Step 3. Now select Insert Picture. Step 4. Navigate to the appropriate location where the image is stored. Step 5. Now select the appropriate image which you want to insert in the document by doing a double click on the image. Similarly, now let's see how to insert a table in a Word document. The table feature can be used to organize data into rows and columns without having to set tabs. Tables can even be used to produce forms and side-by-side paragraphs. A table consists of vertical columns and horizontal rows. The intersection of these rows and columns produce cells. A cell is every individual square in which you will be able to enter text. The Tab key advances the pointer to next cell, Shift plus Tab. It moves the pointer backward within a table. Steps below would make it much easier for you to understand how to create a table. Step 1. Place the insertion point at the desired location on your Word document. Step 2. From the bar, select Insert tab, Tables Gallery. Step 3. Now select Insert Table. Step 4. Enter desired number of columns and rows at Insert Table dialog box. Step 5. Now select Auto Fit Behavior. Step 6. Click OK. Inserting a blank page. The blank page command permits you to manually insert a blank page at the required location. When you fill a page with text or graphics, Microsoft Office Word inserts an automatic page break and starts a new page. Inserting a page break. You can insert a page break anywhere in the document, or you can specify wherever Microsoft Word positions automatic page breaks. If you insert manual page breaks in documents that are quite many pages in length, you might have to frequently re-break pages as you edit the document. Inserting a cover page. Follow these steps. Step 1. From the Insert tab, select Cover Page. The Cover Page drop-down menu will be displayed. Step 2. Select from the pre-formatted options under Cover Page. Step 3. To insert a blank page or a page break, position your insertion point at a desired location. Step 4. Now, from the Insert tab, select blank page or page break as shown in the image below. Printing the Word document. Step 1. Click the Home key, select Print and then Print again. Step 2. Choose the printer you will be printing from, black and white or color print. Step 3. Once you have selected the printer of your choice, reassure to check if you have selected the right and the complete document for printing. Step 4. Once all above steps are performed, select OK to print your work. Closing and exiting Microsoft Word. It's always good to reassure that your Word file has been saved before closing or exiting the Word. Note: closing Word would only close the current document, however, the Word would remain open. Exiting Word would exit the program completely. Thank you.